Great. So yeah, Mike, can you talk a little bit more about the singing element of the retreat and yeah, what you're bringing? And I mean, I know it's going to be amazing because I've been part of your singing circles for years, but yeah.
So, there are specific ancestor related songs that I sing. And I think these are definitely going to form a really important part of the group. African songs, singing for the mothers, for the fathers. There's a beautiful chant by Nkomo, a wordless chant, Nkomo Clark, that is, where it's an ancestor chant where it brings in the energy and opens channels to ancestors. And it's all about the intentions that we set for these songs. A lot of the songs that come up without me specifically saying, "Oh, this is a song we're going to be singing." They come from the sharings. They come from the energy that's being created within the group. So I don't know a lot of the songs that will be sung. There are some specific ones that I'm just definitely going to try to bring in, but very often, in fact, every time I sing in a group and I write the songs that I'm going to be teaching, it never happens. Something else comes from a sharing, from a comment. And so I end up with all these little bits of paper with all these songs that I never got a chance to sing. But yeah, I'll still be writing one of these little sheets saying, this is what I think we'll do today and tomorrow and the other day. But then feeling what comes from the group is going to be the key for our weekend of singing. In the evening, I want to do lullabies. We're going to sing lullabies in the evening on our evening session. That's going to be beautiful.
Beautiful. Sounds like a beautiful way to close the day.